Hello YouTube. Sorry, I've been out. I'm not been feeling too good lately. That's why nothing's done. It works. I had to get in focus. I had to redo the chain. You see where it's attached here. It kept coming off from the little, I don't know what you call it. I'm tired. So I had to undo the chain. Okay, I'll stop doing that so it stays in focus. I had to undo the chain, take it off because the rotor won't turn. So I had to take it off, re-wrap it around. That means from going back here, back and forth, because I only have one ladder. So that took a lot longer. I kept the wires. This is the new one. The old one was already torn off. So I was able to keep the wires. With the machine, I can raise it and lower it. But when it came time to try this, or the wall, I haven't installed this yet, it goes up. I press and it goes up, but it won't go back down. I had the original sensors still attached, as you can see. And after fiddling around, I realized these are different sensors. As you can see from this. No, this is the old one. Yeah, it's dirty, but it still works. Now, I was thinking of just splicing the wires like I did with that, but I figured since it comes already attached to the new ones, I was going to rip this out, rip it out and put on the new ones in the same order. So that's what I've been doing so far. As you saw, that one's already off. This one's starting to come off. I just need to finish behind here. But my messy garage, yeah. This line, I thought it was deep, but in the end, I think it's only the wax. You hear? Only a not too deep sound when I put my nail on it. So that I'll use a polish machine for that. 2 back doors and the 2 front panels. Now I was looking at my car and it's a lot more complicated than I thought. I thought it was just a couple of bolts on either side and come off, but it's not. It's a whole lot of bolts. Yeah, my hair's long. So that's where I'm at right now. Some people actually want to see it. I haven't been filming much of what I do, but oh, I forgot. I'll give you an update on the pool after this. So let's see if I can zoom in. Just for all you video freaks. I had a pen to mark my spots, but here we go. I think you get the idea. I don't think you want to see me do the rest. The reverse is wire it, tie it, tie it, tie it, tie it, tie it. At the end, this will come out. Now it said receiver. Okay, no, this is not the receiver. This is what sends laser. Here we go. Receptor. So this is what allows the safe beam to work, to let it go back up. So the reason why I didn't cut it is because I'll give these two away in case someone needs it. No point selling it, it's not worth much. All right, YouTube, minor setback. For the positioning of this, yeah, it looks good. But the clip, as you can see, I can't get this in. I tried using a hammer. So what I'm going to do is use this as a block. I already marked the spots, and I'll just cut the pieces and attach this to that small piece of wood. It'll come out just a bit more, but that should do it. Let's get cutting. That's not going to work. Okay, I've been having complaints from neighbors. Yeah, they don't like the fact that I'm banging, sawing. So I'm going to call it for now. Just to give you an update, making little blocks, dropping my nails. I'll continue tomorrow.